Okay guys, I'm here to talk about a little 4-inch tilting rotary table, commonly available on eBay for probably around $100. That's about what I got in mine. And I've already partially disassembled it, but I'm going to talk about taking it apart, clean it. As you can see, the main tilting pin, that's already out, so that would be here, allowing the table to tilt from 0 to 90 degrees. First thing you do is drive that out. When you're driving that pin, there is one set screw right here. I pushed it from left to right out. Drive pin punch and a little extra pin to get all the way through. Alright guys, the actual base or rotary table is machined top and bottom, two sides, and then this little angled piece the handle crank sticks out of. And separate this. You got one flat head screw here. It's holding the flange, and it screws into the main spindle of the table. Now I had to press. There's a regular ball bearing here, or a bearing, encased bearing, and then I had to actually press the table out on this. And there's the inside. Okay, as far as taking the handle out, which you actually would have done that first. Got one set screw here. It's a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. And then you've got one clamp screw here, which I guess I didn't realize until I took this apart, that you can actually disengage your worm. I knew that was an option on bigger tables. I wasn't entirely sure it was available on this one. As you can see, the shaft of the worm drive crank is cammed, so that allows you to disengage the table and move it a little bit faster than just cranking the handle slowly. One thing I noticed is there's no oil groove in the table or in the base casting. That might have to be rectified. We have a little brass worm gear that's pressed onto this shaft. Well, I hope to put this, I'll get this all greased up and put it back together, and hopefully in some future videos we'll have a little bit of machining and show you the project I bought this for and what I'm working on. One thing I'll probably do is that's a through hole through the table, and I'll probably ream that, set this up on the mill and indicate center and ream that hole, and then that way any fixture I make or anything I want to put on here, I can always ream a hole and use a dowel to line up center, and that'll just save me a little bit of time as far as picking up center and putting my radius on center. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Hope this is somewhat useful for you. Have a good day.